In this animation I have 3 cars that come into the scene, come to a halt and then set off again, but cars don't really work that way. They don't come to a sudden halt or a sudden burst of speed at full acceleration. Let's adjust that. I'm going to select my 3 cars and tap P to reveal their position, and you can see the keyframes where they come in, come to a halt, then set off again. I'm going to select the initial 3 keyframes where they come into the scene, come to a halt. I shall select all 3, right click, choose Keyframe Assistant, and then Easy Ease In. This will slow them down upon their arrival. And you can see this if I gradually progress through using my Control key held down or the Command key on the Mac plus my right arrow key, and they come to a more gradual halt. Let's do the same for when they set off. This time I'm going to select the 3 keyframes by shift clicking them, right click on any one of them, choose Keyframe Assistant, and this time I'll choose Easy Ease Out when they set off. Now if I go back to the beginning and play, you'll see they come to a more gradual halt and then start slowly and accelerate to full speed when they leave.